Las Vegas is celebrating the contributions of the Asian and Pacific Islander community here in Las Vegas. Tomorrow, special events start at Discovery Children's Museum. They run all month long. Hector Mejia is there live this morning downtown with a preview. Hector, good morning to you.
Hey there, John. Good morning. And they are celebrating 5 different cultures here at the museum. And we have one special performance here. A very special treat for all of us in the morning. Very peaceful. Let's go ahead and listen in for just a few minutes. Joining us to talk about the special performances coming to the Discovery Children's Museum, we have Sam Nelson. Good morning. Tell us about Gary.
So this is Gary and his wife Sheldine. Gary's a member of the Discovery family. He's our facilities director, and he's also a musician, and he'll be performing with us.
That's really cool, and this is just one example, right? We have 5 different cultures to highlight for the entire month.
Definitely. So we're going to do Hawaii, Samoa, Japan, China, and Thailand. And Gary is Hawaiian, and he'll be our performer during the month of May.
And it's really like an entire week for each culture.
100%. Yeah, we're going to do a full week for each of the different cultures. And starting the week off on the weekends, we're going to have performers or artists come in to highlight those cultures.
All right, let's go over to this table. We have markers, we have glue and scissors and a whole bunch of other items. Why?
We're going to also be doing crafts throughout all the weeks that are traditional to the different cultures we're going to be highlighting.
And which place is being highlighted first? It's this weekend, right?
Yes, so starting on Saturday, we're going to start with Samoa, and we're going to do an art workshop on Saturday for Samoa.
All right, well, let's go ahead and listen into our musical performance here from Gary for another few seconds. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And so this is, again, just one example. It all starts tomorrow. This is our sneak peek again. This is all happening here at Discovery Children's Museum here in downtown. Reporting live, Hector Mejia. John, back to you.